So the other day I got the T-Bone Racing mini ramp. Here we go. So this is the ramp right here. This is the mini, and this is the smallest out of the three that I know about at T-Bone Racing's website. I'm a big fan of T-Bone Racing. My xmaxx back there, it's loaded with T-Bone Racing upgrades. And I've been looking at the ramps for quite some time. They were on back order, not available, but they're finally available. It was free shipping if you order like $100 worth of items. So the big one was too much for me. I didn't see myself spending well over $200 for a ramp. The medium one I didn't think was big enough. But with the mini, bought two of them, which is wide enough combined for my xmaxx. Yeah, I didn't think the medium one was wide enough for my xmaxx. I mean, I think it is, but with the two minis combined, you get a little bit more room. But here it is. There is some assembly required, which is very simple. This is how I got mine set up. You're gonna need some basic tools right there, but no big deal. I'm still trying to decide whether or not I should put these traction pads on. I don't know. It seems to work very good without it. My xmaxx jumps pretty good without it. So I just see this as an item that would like wear, and I didn't really feel like dealing with the if you're like me, I hate removing the sticky part of anything off any surface. But there you go, guys. The T-Bone Racing mini ramp. Here we go.